I am here today because I am planning to build my own house. Me and my husband are in the process. We own some land and we're working with an architect. And we came here today to learn more about the process of submitting our plans, getting our plans approved, and what all we need to do to get this house built. You know, I've got some friends, we've got our neighbors where we were planning to build that have built, and we're just kind of getting word of mouth, but it's really great to get just the information we need from the people who need it, so we know we're submitting the exact right information and not just kind of going on, well, I think we did this and I think we did that. I'm gonna hang out the whole day and just see what I can learn. There's a lot of different sessions, and see what I can learn from other people who maybe have gone through this before, what questions they're asking, so I can be as knowledgeable as maybe some more experienced people.
I thought the class was good, informative, and I came to get a refresher on that, and it was good. So it kind of got my mind back in the game.
I thought it was great. I really appreciated the update, the differences between the previous code and the new code. I also took a lot away from the difference between walking surfaces and ramps.
I learned a lot. I got a really great handout that lists all of the documents that we need to submit if we're doing a new build, including our site plan, what the floor plans need to look like, and all of that information, so that was really helpful.
With the changes, with the code, I didn't know those changes, so that really helped me, especially on valve placement in the showers and certain little things that we really got to pay attention to now. Okay. So yeah, no, it was a really good class.
I appreciate the fact that Pikes Peak is reaching out to us. It's a proactive approach, so we're working together. We're partners. We're a contractor. We want to get it right. We want to comply, and we don't want to have to tear it apart and do it twice. So by virtue of you reaching out to us and providing this training, it helps us understand what do we need to look at, what do we need to look forward, plan for, and then as we're going through our building process, it's a lot easier to move a wall in the framing stage than when all the mechanicals are installed and we're having to rip out things. Costs money, costs time.
I think a person needs to take the time, especially if they're going to be involved in an ANSI type project. Whether it's type A or type B, you need to come get informed or you're going to make a big mistake. I definitely feel better walking away from it. So I'm a little smarter today.
Should we keep doing these classes?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's great. It's great to get to know you guys. You know, we're all on the same team. We're all here to, at the end of the day, promote public safety and promote the resident safety, and make sure that Colorado Springs is a great place to live.
It's great. Continue to offer classes like this, for sure.
I think this is great. I think I would need to come to more. I was thinking, oh, next year then I'll kind of know more and know what other questions to ask. So I think it's really great that you're doing it once a year. Maybe could even do it more.